Waterfalls. Godspeed. Alone and mother gazing out of her window, staring at a sun that she just can't touch. And any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side. But he doesn't realize it hurts her so much. And the pain just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. He goes out and makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold in the gutter. Listen to me, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes you used to. I know you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too damn fast. A little precious as a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't see. She gives him loving best way anybody can handle, but all can say, baby, it's good to me. One day he goes, takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his own face. His health is fading, and he doesn't know why. 3 letters took him to his final resting place. Your heart don't hear the name, don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes you're used to. I know you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too damn fast. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes you're used to. I know you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Oh, come on, come on. I've seen a rainbow yesterday, but too many storms have come and gone, leaving a trace of not one God-given ray. Is it because my life is 10 shades of gray? Pray on 10 fade away, seldom praise him for the sunny days, the sunny days. stick to the rivers and the lakes you used to. And let gonna have it your way. Well, nothing at all, but I think you're moving too damn fast. Woo! Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes you're used to. Hey, let's get lost.